Affinity diagram. The affinity diagram is a business tool used to organize ideas and data. It is one of the 7 management and planning tools. People have been grouping data into groups based on natural relationships for thousands of years. However, the term affinity diagram was devised by Jiro Kawakita in the 1960s and is sometimes referred to as the kilojoules method. The tool is commonly used within project management and allows large numbers of ideas stemming from brainstorming to be sorted into groups, based on their natural relationships, for review and analysis. It is also frequently used in contextual inquiry as a way to organize notes and insights from field interviews. It can also be used for organizing other freeform comments, such as open-ended survey responses, support call logs, or other qualitative data. Process. The affinity diagram organizes ideas with following steps. Once the cards have been sorted into groups, the team may sort large clusters into subgroups for easier management and analysis. Once completed, the affinity diagram may be used to create a cause and effect diagram. In many cases, the best results tend to be achieved when the activity is completed by a cross-functional team, including key stakeholders. The process requires becoming deeply immersed in the data, which has benefits beyond the tangible deliverables.